Hello and welcome back to Bo's Garage. Corey here. We're here with our lovely friend, Mr. Bill. So, today for you, obviously, as you can kind of tell behind me in the distance, we've run out of daylight. So what that means is we can't exactly do what we were supposed to do today. But we did figure out, and move back a little bit, buddy. Spark plugs are bad. And yes, we are working on the 1979 Ford F-150 with the Ranger package. And for those of you who don't believe me, F-150 Ranger. So, in the last time you saw us, Bill managed to put on a brand new carburetor. Yes, we still have the racing fuel cell that we use to power the MG Midget and this truck in the beginning. We've checked the oil, we got partially new spark plugs.
Partial. Very partial.
The V8, we got 4 of them. Ran out of money. But we're getting there. As you can tell, we're going to do a little bit of a walk around, even though it's a little darker and you can't really see as well. This camera I'm using has actually a decent thing. Hey, can you shine your light in here? So, as you can tell, the seat's been taken out, or taken apart, and well, as I was saying, don't need no floorboards, right? Just Flintstone it. Bed is getting cleaned out, all the junk that was back there, but we're making progress. Hey, and the door closes. Need some help? Oh. Yeah, I gotta grab my tools out of here. Hang on a minute, you might have some of my tools in there. But as you can tell, I'm using my tiny little toolbox. Nothing like Junkyard Diggs has, but it's something. But yeah, this has been another exciting short clip. Those are mine. They got the blue rings on them. Yep, that's yours. Alright. But this has been an exciting short clip with Bill, who's rejoining us on the channel in the distance back here. Beautiful, beautiful sunset with a couple of nice little stars hiding up in the sky. Anything for the people, Bill? Alright. Obviously it's December and it's Illinois, so the weather's unpredictable. It's 57, so we thought we could get some more time, but time wasn't on our side. Also, we need to charge that battery. Alright, and you can see Kenzie's still here, poking her ass out. But yeah, not as exciting as what we were going to do and try and start it for everybody. Hey, you want to actually see if it'll try?
It's not.
Yeah. One last view of the old girl right there. There's a Chevy 2 Nova in the back with a Rambler all the way in the garage. But yeah, tune in next time to Bo's Garage to figure out exactly what in the world we're thinking with this truck. See you later, guys.